Hi there, Shyla here from Simply Earth.
And I'm Katie. We're certified aromatherapists and we love teaching people how to use essential oils.
So this recipe today, my cats at home are trying to chase all the squirrels outside from inside the house. They sit there and they chatter and then they run at the windows and they leave paw prints everywhere. So Katie came up with a really cool recipe to help get rid of them.
Yeah, this recipe is a shine spray recipe. You can use it on several different kinds of surfaces, including your windows, to help clean up those paw prints.
And the stainless steel fridge too, right?
All right, so for this recipe, you will need a 1/4 cup of vinegar.
Okay.
And you'll need 20 drops of clean and fresh essential oil blend, a 2-ounce spray bottle, and a funnel is super helpful as well.
All right, so here's the spray bottle we're gonna use. Take the top off carefully. All right.
And then you can go ahead and add your essential oil blend. This clean and fresh blend makes your house smell super clean and it kills germs and viruses. So you can be sure that your house is clean. You can replace those toxic ingredients that are often found in common household cleaners and be confident that this essential oil is making your home clean, toxin-free.
All right. It is now shook up.
So now it's ready. It's super simple, super quick to make, and all you have to do is label it.
All right. So I already cut out the label, so I can put it right on.
Cool. So now it's ready to be used. You can use it on windows, stainless steel.
Microwaves.
Yes. Don't use it on granite or stone countertops because the vinegar is acidic and that can damage the finish on those kind of countertops. I'm Katie.
And I'm Shyla.
Thanks for watching. For more great recipes like this one, head to blog.simplyearth.com.
And if you're not already a subscriber, head to simplyearth.com and subscribe to this month's recipe box.
You'll get everything you need for this recipe and more.
See you later.